Hi guys, welcome back to another Cooking It Up with your host Hanna Kuniewicz and our special guest
Evetta Svedas.
Today we're going to be baking a Jellycat Cake for Red Hawk Muse's 50th anniversary. So let's get into it. The ingredients include 225 grams of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, 3 large eggs, 225 grams of granulated sugar, 85 grams of unsalted butter, 190 grams of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 300 grams of whipping cream or heavy cream, 30 grams of powdered sugar, 1 to 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 4 tablespoons of strawberry jam, 2 to 3 fresh strawberries, and 20 grams of milk chocolate. Before you start anything, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We will start by making the cake layers. First, get a small bowl, stir together flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. For the hot milk mixture, get a small pot or a microwave-safe bowl, add the butter, milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Heat it on the stovetop or in the microwave until the butter has melted. Next, in a large mixing bowl, add the eggs and sugar. Use an electric hand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment to beat the mixture for a full 6 minutes at medium speed or until the mixture has tripled in size and becomes very pale, almost white in color. Then, add half of the flour mixture and mix on low speed until just barely combined. Add the rest of the flour and mix until mostly combined. Some flour patches are fine because you'll continue mixing some more in the next step and we don't want to overmix. With the mixture on low speed, slowly stream in the hot milk mixture until you have a smooth and fluid batter. After that, divide the batter into your lined cake pans until about halfway full. Bake cakes for about 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out mostly clean with a few crumbs. While waiting, you can make the frosting. In a large mixing bowl, add the whipping cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. Use an electric hand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment to beat the cream until it becomes soft peaks. Scoop out a small amount of whipped cream into a small bowl and add the cocoa powder and mix until the cream is tinged brown. Transfer both the whipped cream and the chocolate whipped cream to separate piping bags and cut the tips off. When the cake is done, let them cool in the pans for about 15 minutes before running an offset spatula around the edges of the pan. Release the cakes onto a wire rack to cool completely. After they cool down, on a large serving plate or cake board, place down the first cake layer. Pipe dollops of whipped cream along the edges of the cake, ending toward the middle of the cake. Use a spatula to smear the tail ends of the dollops toward the middle of the cake. Add the strawberry jam to the middle. Smooth it into an even layer with an offset spatula without disturbing the whipped cream. Place the second cake layer on top. Pipe more dollops of whipped cream on top of the cake. Arrange halved strawberries on top of the cream. Next, melt the chopped milk chocolate in the microwave or in the stovetop. Pipe eyes and a smile onto the bottom cake layer in between the legs.
Happy 50th episode!
We love you, Red Hawk News. For Red Hawk Media, this is Hanna Kuniewicz.